Compound clips in Davinci Resolve group together multiple videos and audio tracks into a single and editable sort of container, which is perfect for simplifying your timelines or applying effects to all the things at once, and also speeding up your footage. So you can compare it to pre-compose in Adobe After Effects. And to create a compound clip in Davinci Resolve 20, you can either select all the clips you want to have in a compound clip and then right-click it and choose New Compound Clip. And then you give it a name. And when you click Create, you can see it appearing here in your media pool also. You can see which compound clips you have in there, and you can also choose to work with in and out points. So select where you want to begin and you press I on your keyboard, and where you want to end you press O, and then you right click here and you choose to convert an in and out to a compound clip. You give it a name again, and then you can see it appearing also here in your media pool. Now, if you want to edit a compound clip, you can either right-click it here in your timeline and then choose to open in timeline, which will open a separate timeline of your compound clip, and you can see all the clips inside of it, and you can edit it also. Like this, and then everything you do here when you go back to your original timeline by either double-clicking it here in your media pool or changing here on top to your timeline, it will be visible. Your changes will be visible here also. You can also, in your media pool, right-click your compound clip and then choose Open in Timeline, which does the same. And then you can also edit it here, and it will be shown in your original timeline. Now, if you want to turn your compound clip back into the individual clips, that's also possible. You can select this compound clip, then right-click it, and then choose Decompose in Place, and then using clips only. And as you can see, now it has been turned back to our original clips. And if you have something where you have to decompose compound clips regularly, you can also go to Edit and then choose Edit Options, and here you can choose to decompose compound clips on Edit. So that's also an option if you have to decompose multiple compound clips several times. But that's how you can easily create and decompose compound clips in Davinci Resolve 20. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.